Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week I want you to think about what's a new perspective you can give on an old story. Maybe you saw something on one of the morning shows or the news shows and you thought, oh, I could have been the expert for that. Start a file. Keep those so that 6 months from now, 12 months from now, you can go back and repitch this kind of the same story with a slightly new angle. My favorite example of that is it was over the holidays and I was watching the Today Show and they had a nutrition expert come on talking about what is the best food court food at the mall, the healthiest to eat while you're holiday shopping. And I wanted to use that snippet in a presentation, so I went to Google it, and I found that Meredith Vieira, who was no longer on the Today Show, had done the exact same story. It was a summer segment with a nutritionist about what is the healthiest food court food to eat when you're at the mall. So take a story and just tweak it. This one was tweaked based on seasonality. They just added the holiday shopping into it. So think about what stories that you might have missed on your industry and then just update them and repitch a competing media outlet, the same story with your unique twist. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you like this tip, if you'd like to learn more about all aspects of your brand and your message and pitching the media, go to captivateandcashin.com/blueprint. It's completely free. You're able to download it and it gives you some amazing tips. So please start implementing. This system works, and when you pitch the media and you're featured in the media, you could potentially have millions of people learning about your business. So pitch the media, get in the media, and start rocking it out.